artist friends, we will start today's drawing with a very beautiful ship. One straight line and two diagonal lines like this. Again, a horizontal line for this part. Another line that connects to a small circle. This is the ship's anchor. Now, the ship's cabin. It has 5 round windows. And finally, 3 columns in this very simple shape. The ship is sailing on the blue ocean. Some birds are flying in the sky. It's time to color. The ship has a big red and yellow body. Good job. Pink. This is a big and colorful ship. Gray. Green. Red. This ship looks very strong and fast. Yellow for cabin. There are 3 chimneys with smoke coming out. Light orange, pink, and red. The waves are blue and purple. Let's imagine where the ship is going.